Wait, go.
Good afternoon. Once again, I'm going to try something that people like me really shouldn't be doing. But I got my lovely assistant up here running the video camera, and she's also my safety girl. So what I'm going to do...
Wait, and also your wife.
Oh, she's
Okay,
also
let's
my...
clarify.
Okay, clarification.
Uh-huh.
Edit, edit. She's also my lovely wife. Um, there's a friend of mine that needs some chalks, and I just happen to have some scrap lumber, and I'm going to cut them in two with a chainsaw, because it's going to be quicker than trying to any other way. So honey, just tell me when I get about halfway through this bottom one, because the last thing I want to do is cut my hay wagon in half. So here we
Okay.
go.
Oh, you got them all six up there?
Yeah, I got them strapped down with a
Ratchet.
ratchet strap. Start.
Go to Gambrell's. The other way. Yeah. Gambrell's.
What?
Go to the south.
Yeah, here it is.
Go to the south. No.
That looks good.
No.
Wait.
To the south. That's north. Scoot your...
Now.
Yeah. Honey, you need your blade in the center.
Do what?
You need your blade in the center of the blocks. That's why I keep saying to the south. You move, but you didn't move the blade. Okay, there you go.
All right. Should we delete that?
No, go ahead. You just couldn't hear me.
Now, was the chain rolling?
Yeah, I don't know if the chain was. Little more. Little more. Right there.
What about the tip? North and south.
You're good. Go.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Am I close to the wagon?
Probably I can't see because you didn't come all the way through. I can't see because you didn't come all the way through.
Really?
Yeah. You're going to have to get your blade in that cut and do that back piece. Take off them front pieces that did cut.
Yeah.
Just the one side. That's it. That next one didn't cut. But down below, did that one cut all the way through on that side, on the south side?
Yep.
Take that out. And then get your blade in that slit. Did that bottom one cut?
I got a good start on the cut.
Okay, well then put your blade in there.
Hey, hold up a minute.
You don't gotta move.
Ow, yeah. Crap.
I don't think you gotta move that none, do you?
Yeah, so I can get it in closer. Well, I hope this guy... Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Hurry up.
Hope this friend of mine appreciates this. Because my lovely wife is on her lunch break.
Uh-huh. That's pretty tight.
Huh?
So that's pretty tight.
As long as we're not moving. Here we go again.
north. To the north. Right there. Straighten it up. No.
Is the blade rotated?
No. Scoot it over to the north a hair and get your body straight. There you go.
Am I in it?
You're in it. They all fell down.
It fell down.
Yep. Okay, we're going to cut there.